Hi guys, Dr. Michelle. CrimeCon's closing up, but I wanted to just give you a quick little tour of what it's like and what they offer. They have the merch and book store, and this year it was in CrimeCon Denver. And next year we found out it's going to be in Las Vegas. So I've already got my ticket. If you get your tickets earlier, you're going to save money. If you come to the event and buy your ticket, it's even earlier. So it's going to be in Las Vegas next year at the Caesars Palace. So they've got the merch and bookstore here available, which is really cool. I bought a bunch of my own self-defense stuff, so I'm really excited. I got another stun gun. I got another knife. I don't even know what it's called. I got a monkey ball. I got, what else did I get? They had gel pepper spray, but I did not get that. I might get that. Might consider a taser too. So if anybody needs a really great connection, just send me a message and I'll connect you with a really great business I met. And I bought my things from. Let's see, I'm trying to think what else I got. Oh, I got a new stun gun, if I didn't already say that. So, very powerful one. So I'm really excited about that. And then they've got many different rooms along this resort. Is the Gaylord CrimeCon Denver. And they've got the meet and greet. So this is where I got to stand in line for 3 hours and meet Nancy Grace and Aaron from 48 Hours. So they have this whole meet and greet room with 3 different lines, and you get in line and hopefully you get lucky. I stood in line twice for John Canonis and did not make it each time the line got cut off. So next year he'll be one of the tops of my list. And then they've got the various rooms here that have the different breakout sessions with the different interesting crime stories, missing children, missing people, and it got like different panelists and well-known people from Dateline, 48 Hours, and it's just a blast. So if you've never been to CrimeCon, I really recommend it. I'm going to see if I can just kind of I'm taking this. We're on the main floor right now of the Gaylord Resort in the Convention Center, and just sharing. Oh, hi. I'm going to share this here. This is the missing board of all the missing people. Some of them have been missing for like 20, 30 years. Some of them have been missing since last year. I put my name, and then you can put like little messages on the board for the missing folks. And this is the first thing that I did when I came into CrimeCon on day one. And let's see if I can find mine here. Right here. This is a dancer that went missing. He was worked, I think, dancing in New York. Went home to visit his family, and I'm not sure what happened. I mean, he went missing. So Zelig Williams, he's still needing to be found and missing since October 3rd, 2024. So let me just span the board here for you all. Stepping in front of it's a pretty huge board, which is, I mean, doesn't even cover the extent of the missing folks out there. So this is something that a lot of us that are into true crime are very passionate about, and it's very important. So okay, now let's keep going. Then they've got Creator Studio, which is where they do live tapings that you can go in and be part of in the audience as they film a live taping it might be on a case or a particular subject related to true crime. So now that it's all over, I finally know the different rooms and where everything is. Last year it was only, I think, 2 floors. This year it was 3 floors. So It was a lot of steps and good exercise. And I did get to meet my top of my list, which was Nancy Grace. And I got to meet, like I said, Erin from 48 Hours, Erin Mordarardi. I can't say her name very well. But then throughout the hall of the hotel here, they have the different convention rooms with the different breakout sessions, and you really just have to pick and choose which topics, which cases and things you want to watch. Sometimes if there's multiple ones, I'll watch half of one and then I'll jump out and I'll go into the other one, so that way I can catch a few. But look at this. This is kind of cool. This is a CrimeCon little setup they have here.
Taking a picture?
I'm videoing. So look at that. Probably might get a reflection because it's right in front of the glass, but then I'll take you over here and show you the view. We'll go upstairs. There's 3 floors. So let's go upstairs, get some more steps in. So you can even, a lot of people laid on the fur rug there and took their picture, the CrimeCon logo. Okay, so we're going to take some stairs together. A lot of people have left because they're flying out today. I chose to stay an extra day because I've never played in Denver and I wanted to go play, and I'll be doing a video on that tomorrow when I get to those places. So the airport will be a lot less crowded tomorrow too. And that way you don't have to stress out about getting your luggage and everything packed, and you can just kind of take it easy. So let me show you the beautiful views here. I showed you the front of it yesterday of the Gaylord Resort, Denver, Colorado. Now they had some food trucks, some of them have gone, but a lot of people sat out here and had lunch. So lots of pretty views. I've got my coffee as usual. And my hotel is way out there, way out there. And what I would do every day, because it was not that far really, it looks like it is, way out there, there's a bunch of hotels. I would run here every day, but I also was late. But that's okay, I'm a free spirit and I just go to the beat of my own drum. And I missed a lot, but the cases that I missed, I'll just go online and follow them and check them out so I can learn about them. So right now we're walking over to one of the ballrooms. Let me show you another view outside. It's really pretty. It's a beautiful day out too. A lot of people are exhausted. I got to meet some of my favorite YouTuber podcasters. Some of them are well known. They're special reporters on Dateline and ID, and so I finally got to meet some of them and just hang out with some of them, and it was really cool because I got to meet Susan Hendricks, who wrote the book on Delphi, the Delphi girls that were murdered, Abby and Libby. And I actually met Abby's mother, who was hanging out. So here's just a side view. But so they'll break out, and then here's they'll have an area where you can get the best selling for your ticket for the next year's CrimeCon, which last year I did not do. This year I decided to do it because I wanted to save more money. So it was about maybe $250 for my 3-day event. I just get the standard ticket, which keeps you plenty busy. And there's the one for next year, Las Vegas, May 29th to the 31st. If you buy your next year's ticket, you also get a little button where you can go spin the wheel and I almost won. I was off by one slot. I almost won some merchandise, $40 merchandise certificate. I didn't end up buying any merchandise this year. All my stuff that I bought this year was from Megan, Girl Be Safe company. Her and her mom, Mary, have this, like I said earlier, amazing self-defense tools. And so I spent all my money there, and then I'm going to hand off some of my extras to my niece who's 16, and I want her to have a stun gun. So anyways, I think that's probably it. So we'll go venture onward. If I see something else that I might have missed, then I will share it with you. Otherwise, I'll be doing my kind of celebrity favorite people podcasts from CrimeCon. And you can check out their channels on YouTube. So I got a lot of people that I got to meet, and then old friends that I met last year and that I've known just from watching their channels for so long. So, and then you'll get your landlord, which I actually decorated mine, if you can see that. I'm really into stickers. So this is how you get your into CrimeCon, is they'll give you your badge. And then I decorated mine with Pretty Lies and Alibis, Gigi's channel. There's Josh Makovich for mayor. And I got to see him and give him a hug. Met him last year. And got to talk to Gigi and her mom and dad. And then I got some of these other cool stickers if I signed up for this other channel. So I'm going to be checking out some new channels in my spare time. Now we're taking the stairs down. And please, everybody, if you like the video, subscribe, hit the thumbs up. There'll be lots more videos coming out. Medical education, how to take care of yourself. You know, crime victims need a lot of self-care and a lot of care from practitioners as well. They need a lot of support, and that's one of my specialties, is helping mental health, PTSD, trauma victims. And yeah, so anyways, we're at the second floor now. So, oh, actually there is one more sign I'll take you to where we enter. So let's take a little bit more of a walk here. But I decorated my landlord with a whole bunch of pins, which makes it a lot of fun. And this one, this badge you get, means that you got your ticket for next year. The CrimeCon right here. Long Crime is one of my favorites, with Jesse Weber, Elizabeth Milner. They were doing the Diddy case. Jesse's also on News Nation. And then here's the sign. I'll take a back shot of here. This is where we entered CrimeCon. This is where it all started. And then my second stop is always, of course, I'm giving Starbucks a shout out, not that they need it. But anyways, gotta have my Starbucks so I can roll with everybody. So, okay guys, love you. I'll see you soon. Dr. Michelle signing off. And ciao for now. See ya.